I'm super excited today to share with you a topper. It's a human hair topper. It has a lace mono top and a lace front. And there's a special feature that makes me really like this topper. I'm on the fence about toppers because I don't feel like they're always super secure. I have super fine hair, fine thin hair, and when the clip clips on, I just don't feel like it's super secure. Well, this topper by UniWigs, it's called Breeze, has a special feature to help with that issue. That special feature is this halo wire. So this is completely different than a halo hairpiece because it's a topper. A halo hairpiece would just be hair from here down to thicken the ends of your hair. This is a topper that's going to help anybody that has thinning up top, but it has a halo wire to help keep it secure. Now let me show you the cap and then I'm going to show you how to put it on because it's a little bit different to put it on. All right, y'all, this has this incredible lace top, so you're going to be able to change the part. Right now, I think I've got it in the center part, and I'll probably leave it there. It has a lace front. I did trim it. It came about 1 inch long for you to trim it yourself. Don't be afraid to trim it. You can find tons of videos on YouTube how to trim a lace front. But it's got clips here, and then 2 in the back. But in addition to the clips, we have this halo wire. And let me show you exactly how to use this. Okay, before we put it on, I'm going to clip my hair, my own hair, just clip it all up and pin it up. I'm not going to leave it like this, but I got to get it out of the way so that the wire can lay correctly. Okay, to put this on, you can have the cap face away from you like this. You're going to have your halo wire right here. And you are going to, when you pick up the halo wire, it's going to bend the cap back a little bit. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so you're going to pull up the halo wire. You see it? And you're going to place the front lace of the topper on your forehead. You're going to then take the halo wire and put it all the way down at the nape where your hairline is. And then you're just going to flip the topper over. Then get it situated. And the good thing about having a lace front topper is if you don't love your hairline like I don't, you can replace your hairline with it. It's going to give you the illusion of the hair growing right out of your head. Okay, so to find your hairline, what's an average hairline? It's 4 finger widths from your eyebrows. I'll pull it back just a little to look like me because I have a big old forehead. All right, so then I'm gonna take the clips. Oops, first I gotta take my hair out of this clip, I forgot that. All right, so let all your own hair down. There we go. Okay. Now I'm going to take the clips and I'm going to pull it tight. Scoop up hair and close the clips. And do the same thing in the back. And there, it's on. And not only is it secured by the clips, but it's got this halo wire that's going down under my hair that no one's ever going to see. But it just gives it that security. Y'all, how incredible is this topper? Now, I probably need to trim it because my own hair is, quite a bit shorter. I haven't decided yet if I want to trim it or if this will be a topper that I wear once my hair grows out a little bit more, but let me show you all the way around so you can see the full effect. Isn't it incredible? And it's so natural looking. It does come with a little bit of a dark root, which I love, because my hair was always darker and highlighted with blonde. And I have curled it. It comes straight, but I have curled it. It is human hair. You can curl it like you would curl your own hair. And I did put a little bit of hairspray in it. Now, I can pull out some of my own hair here. But just to let you see, here's the extra piece of the wire. They leave it longer in case you need to adjust how tight the wire is. I'm not going to cut it. I'm just going to hide it under there. Pull out some of my own hair. But how easy, and it is so secure. For me, it's a much better comfort feel in security and comfort with that halo wire. I can't feel it in the back, but I know it's there, and it's really keeping my topper in place. The clips are very comfortable. It's just all around an amazing piece. This is by UniWigs. It is the topper called Breeze with the halo wire with a lace front and a lace top.